Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play a drop shot, only ways. Start by using a loose grip and a continental or eastern hold and step forward into the shot. Use a short backswing and a soft brushing motion under the ball to produce backspin. Aim to land the ball just over the net with depth no greater than 1/4 of the court to force your opponent forward quickly. Positioning makes the drop shot effective and believable. Move inside the baseline early to shorten your swing and stay balanced. Transfer your weight onto your front foot at contact to soften the stroke while maintaining direction. Keep your racket face open slightly and disguise the motion with your shoulders to sell a deeper shot. After contact, take 2 short angled steps toward the net to be ready for the next shot or a quick volley. Deception wins points with the drop shot, so set it up with a believable pattern. Hit a few deep drives to push your opponent back, then use identical preparation for your drop to disguise your intent. Vary placement between short angles and center drops to keep them guessing, and limit drop attempts to about 15 to 25% of rallies so the tool stays surprising and effective during matches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.